Issue. Issue. An issue is an important topic.
The men spoke about issues that were important to the people.
None. None. None means not any of someone or something.
He spent all his money. There is none left.
Patient. Patient. If a person is patient, they don't become angry or upset easily.
I had to be patient and wait until 5 o'clock to leave.
Positive. Positive. If something is positive, it is good.
She has a positive future ahead of her after finishing college.
Punish. Punish. To punish means to make someone suffer for breaking the rules or laws.
To punish me, my teacher had me stand in the corner.
Represent. Represent. To represent is to speak or act for a person or group.
My lawyer will represent me in court.
Shake. Shake. To shake is to move back and forth or up and down quickly.
When people shake hands, it usually means they agree.
Spread. Spread. To spread is to move quickly to more places.
I like to spread butter on my toast.
Stroll. Stroll. To stroll means to walk slowly and calmly.
My dog and I strolled through the park today.
Village. Village. A village is a very small town.
There are only a few houses in my village.
Issue. Issue. None. None. Patient. Patient. Positive. Positive. Punish. Punish. Represent. Represent. Shake. Shake. Spread. Spread. Stroll. Stroll. Village. Village.